In question 2, the graph of the function f is shown below. There's a broken old line segment thing. Which grid shows the graph of f negative 1? Remember, f negative 1 means the inverse. Where's my pen? There we go, inverse. And let me just go over here to what answer choices we're supposed to be looking at. So those grids, one of those things is the inverse of the one we're given. So what does the inverse do to the graph of a function? Well, it takes the point x, y, and switches it to yx. Remember, it just switches the x and the y coordinates. So let's just get a couple of points, the 2 points that it gave us on the grid. So for example, this first point, I'll call it A. Point A has coordinates 1, 6. So on the inverse, I'll call that one A prime, has to have the point 6, 1. So let's just go over to the answer choices and look for 6, 1 on our graph. So A has a 6, 1 on it, it's right there. C has nope. How about B? Nope. And D, it has a 6, negative 1. Not good enough. So there is answer choice A. Sure, we could go ahead and go back to this and demonstrate that with point B has coordinates 6, negative 7. And when I flip them for the inverse, we'll call that B prime, this should be at negative 7, 6. And the other point is at negative 7, 6. That's this point here. And remember, what inverse also does is reflects across the line y equals x. So anything that used to be in quadrant 4 is going to end up, in quadrant 2, which is what we see happening.